Hello guys, this is Perla Flores. Ayan, happy Sunday.
Private.
Yeah. What? In Philippines? Hello guys. Ayan guys, nasa ferry po tayo guys. Ayan. Ayan, daming tao guys. Ang dami rin mga Pilipino nandito sa loob. Ayan. Yung iba is galing sila sa ibang lugar din. Like my friends na aking kaklase ng elementary. Ayan. Nag-tour sila dito sa Hong Kong guys. Ayan. Nilibre nila ako sa ferry. Sa cruise ship. Small cruise ship. Itong sinakyan namin guys. Ayan. Free drinks. Only drinks guys. So ayan o. Ayan. Side by side. Nandito kami sa taas. And meron din sa baba guys. Ayan. So nice. Diba? Kasi wala ng beauty si Inday. Wala ng lipstick kasi naiwan. Ayan, haggard na po tayo guys. But it's very nice guys kasi nakasakay din tayo kahit na small lang siya. Tingnan nyo oh. Oh. Ayan, please subscribe to my channel. Tingnan nyo rin po ako sa aking FB page. Ayan guys, so. Sige. Sandali lang, naka-video kasi ako.
It's currently made by the direct dollars to the Hong which is no longer made in glass or monopoly truck. We call Central Plaza. Central Plaza was 78 stories and about 474 meters in height.
先后列就是中环广场，这个建筑物楼高78尺，374米，于1992年落成时，是香港第二高的大厦。它的顶部有一个4色形状，每个颜色代表15分钟。